What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at this Maxicharger AC Lite by Autel. So this is going to be a charger that you can use for your EV and specifically for the Tesla. So that way you don't have to hassle with any more adapters. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm going to skip ahead a couple of steps and show you what I've done to my charger and show you how you can get the charger set up and installed. We'll go through that process and show you how it works. All right, so once we get everything out of the box, this is what you're going to have. You have the charging unit itself right here. This is going to be the cable that goes into the charging port of your Tesla. This is going to be the NACS or Tesla charging adapter. It comes in a nice long 25-foot cable. Now on this particular unit, this is going to be a hardwire unit. So you would have to either bring this to your electrical box, or in some cases, if you would like to have a plug connected to it, you can do that as well. You would basically install this the same way you would if you're going to be connecting it to your electrical box. The difference is you just have a plug instead of hardwired it straight to the box. Now this is separate. It doesn't come with the unit, so just make that clear. Also, inside the box, once you get everything connected, you also have an Ethernet connection in here, and that is what this cable runs to, and you'll see it in the installation process. The Ethernet cable allows you to be connected to the internet, obviously, and then also if there's any updates, that way you can run updates on here and stay connected. The ways that you can stay connected is going to be by Bluetooth, Ethernet, Wi-Fi. You have many ways that you can connect to this so you can get your data. And yes, you can read all that information from the app. Your app allows you to do multiple things like schedule your charging. It gives you your charging efficiency to see how well things are doing. So that way you're getting the most of your charge. Now this is going to be a max of 240 volts at 50 amps. So you're going to get a level 2 charging speed out of this. What's really cool is through the app and also within the box manually, you can adjust the rate of the charge. So if you need to cut it down to, say for instance, 20 amps, 30 amps, 40, 50, you can make those adjustments. That way you get the charging speed that you need. This is really easy to install. It's only 3 wires, but if you're not comfortable installing this, make sure you get an electrician to do this right. Now this is an indoor-outdoor unit, so you don't have to worry there. And it also comes with a mounting bracket, so you can mount this to the wall or to a stand, however you want to mount it. It has mounting connections on the back. It's really easy. Just slide this on the bracket once you have that on there, and that way you can have this wherever you need it. Now the protection built into this is going to be your overcurrent, over voltage, under voltage, integrated surge protection, lightning protection, and also overheating. So this is some great tech built into here to make sure that you're nice and safe. Now getting this connected is really easy. You just connect your L1, your L2s, that's going to be your hot wires, and then you're going to connect your ground wire, putting that in the right position. After you do that, you can go ahead and run a cable to your Ethernet port. That's totally up to you if you want to have it hardwired to the internet. Once you have that connected, you make sure everything is nice and tight, it's protected against weather, and you're ready to get this mounted. Mounting is really easy. Just go ahead and get the bracket. I'm mounting mine on an EV podium, so I'm going to screw this in. Once it's screwed in, I'm ready to slide the charging station onto the bracket, and we're good to go. Once we're plugged up and have power, have internet, we're connected to the app via Bluetooth, we can go ahead and charge our car. Now once again, this is a Tesla adapter. All you have to do is click the button. It opens up the charging port. Once we put it in, we go ahead and tell the car to start charging. Depending on your scheduling information for your vehicle and the app, you might have to click a few buttons to tell it to go ahead and start charging. And once we do that, you see that green light, and that means we're getting juice. Well guys, this is going to be the Maxicharger from Autel. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.